Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful jute crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is viewers jute straw planter. If you have small flower pot at home, you can decorate them with the jute straw. Simply wrap the rope around the outside of the pot and square it carefully. This gives an ordinary plant pot a completely new look. Jute look especially beautiful with green plants because the natural color work well together. Hanging jute planter. Using strong jute rope to create a simple hanging holder for your plant. Hang it near a window, on a balcony, or in a cozy corner of your home. This can create a beautiful nature decoration without taking up much space. Another easy craft is a jute straw vase. Take a simple glass or plastic containers and cover the outside with the jute rope. You can wrap the rope tightly from the bottom to the top. And the viewers, jute straw vase. So friends, viewers, take a simple glass or plastic container and cover the outside with jute rope. Wall hanging jute. Wall hanging jute is perfect for creating natural wall art. You can combine jute rope with wooden sticks, beads, fabric, shell, or small wooden piece. Create long stand of rope and attach them to a wooden stick. You can leave the end straight or create a simple pattern. This type of wall hanging can look beautiful in a bedrooms, living rooms, halls, or anywhere. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates video. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next